always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. I know the live cop is a day late. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all exactly what happened yesterday. This video might be on the shorter side, but I feel like I spent some beans yesterday and I might as well show off exactly what happened. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make in the near future, whether it is Supreme, whether it's sneakers, anything you would like to see. Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because once we get to 20,000 subscribers, I will give away a box logo. You heard it right, I'm gonna give away a BOGO at 20K. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Also, I am gonna announce the winners for the giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So as you can see, the page actually loaded up. It took a little while, but I went straight for the black one. Add the XL to my cart, click the checkout. As soon as I get to the checkout screen, it automatically had my information on there. I add the CVV and my card, and then I start processing. This processing took like 20 seconds, but I did speed it up and I managed to get the Ariel crew neck in the black XL, which is gonna be for the personal. My second favorite was that burgundy, then the cream, but I go ahead and I go back out to the accessories screen. I'm waiting for it to load up and it took a little while, but I managed to get onto the knife page. I add the black one to my cart and then I click the checkout button once again. This was a pretty smooth process yesterday morning. It didn't even take that long. I put all my information in. I hit the process button. I don't even think this one had the processing bar. It went straight to the checkout screen where I got the folding knife in black. After this, I'm like, yo, I want to see if the homie Marco cooked up the skate deck for me. And it turns out that he got 2 skate decks and 2 knives for me. So I got 3 knives, 2 skate decks, and then I also got the crew neck. Yesterday was a pretty successful day in my opinion. I feel like it just went so smooth and it pretty much wasn't any hassle as far as just going ahead and getting what I wanted. I got the black knife and 2 extra knives. I got 2 skate decks, which I don't really need 2, so I'm really excited about that. And then I got the crew neck, which was my priority for yesterday. I would actually like to know what you guys copped yesterday. Was there anything that you were going for and took an L, or what did you manage to succeed on? Just let me know in the comments what you cooked up yesterday. Also, did you guys end up getting the PS5 or the Xbox that came out? And did y'all see the Travis Scott PS5 stuff? That shit is fire. Low-key, I'm debating on going for it, but I know the Jordan 1s drop tomorrow, so I just don't know how my pockets are looking right now. It's too much shit going on. So right now I'm actually about to go ahead and choose the winner for the giveaway. I clicked the Supreme Cards giveaway and I'm gonna go ahead and pick the winners. Alright, so there's 2 winners that are gonna be picked. I'm gonna go ahead and delete the invalid actions. Apparently there was 2 people who didn't do the right steps, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove those people, and then I'm gonna draw the winners for the cards and for the tee. My computer's on 1%, so bear with me, it could take a bit. Draw winners. Hopefully this shit doesn't die on me. Draw both winners. Let's get it. Come on. So we got Luis Juarez. He visited Supreme Ricks on Instagram. And then we got Max K. Yo, Max K has been showing so much love. Shout out to Max K and shout out to the homie Luis. Both of you guys are the winners and I am gonna be contacting you. I'm assuming that number 1 would get to choose what he wants and then number 2 would get the other item. Either way, shout out to both of you guys for entering the giveaway, and major shout out to each and every one of you guys who did enter on the giveaway. I am gonna have another one coming shortly, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. But that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what you guys thought down below. What did you pick up? Did you think that I actually succeeded this week? Go ahead and follow the homie Marco for hooking me up with the slots. And with all that being said, I think I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.